And they're off. The last two of our fleet heading out to Southwest Florida. We're coming for you.
So this is what happens when water gets in your basement from rain, and why we're always reminding you about water damage. These are contents that get destroyed and wet. If you don't take care of the water within 24 to 48 hours, this is what happens. Mold starts that fast. So don't risk it. Call us. BAC 24 hours.
So we found a superhero.
They actually played the it's a costume party trick on her and she fell for it.
A friend of ours at French sent over his Superwoman over here, and she's giving every kid here a $25 gift card, so make sure you guys see her over here. So thank you guys. All the people did donations, came out, gave the rides. The people who aren't here today that still donated, thank you guys. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to do it again next year with all of you guys. Thank you.
Justine, who are you saving?
What?
Who are you saving?
That little Spider-Man over there. Hey guys, so today we have the BAC team donating our day to the Northern Illinois Food Bank.
Hello Instagram, how are you?
Coach.
LOL.
Coach. Go.
How you're helping out. We got your back.
Now you get 3 books there,
Yeah.
3 stuffed animals, see, over there,
Okay.
and then I'll get the 3 cans.
What?
Yeah, Judy, the owners believe that the damage to the outside of this pyramid, as well as the contents inside, will run into the millions of dollars. Insurance adjusters here on the scene right now, they'll, of course, have the final say, but the owners, Jim and Linda Onens, for them, this was a dream that they were able to accomplish, and it became an icon, a landmark for all of Lake County. The damage is heartbreaking. They were able to go in and assess everything for the first time this morning. There is water damage and soot everywhere, covering the walls, floors, furniture, and millions of dollars worth of artifacts housed here. The fire that caused all of this damage apparently started during some repair work.
A lot of things that can't be replaced, pictures and personal items. Linda's lived here 35 years, so for her it's very traumatic.
Among the treasures, a replica of King Tut's tomb, a giant sarcophagus, tons of gold-plated dishes, furniture, and other items. Well, you can see most of the damage on the north side of the pyramid here, and I want to focus your attention on the moat again, which we mentioned is filled with that spring water, which they bottle and sell. The fire department actually used the water from that moat to fight the fire yesterday as well. In the meantime, they do plan to go on with some outside events that they have already scheduled here on the grounds while they work to rebuild the pyramid.
Have so many celebrities.
How's it feel to be back at the golf gift gala? Feels great. This is a really great event.
It benefits both the Michael Phelps and Jason Day Foundations.
I'm really excited to be here tonight, to be here with a buddy of mine, Michael Phelps, to support what we're trying to accomplish.
Mark Wahlberg will clean your golf clubs for you, but we got to get more than 20. We need $21,000.
If I offered the Carlton dance.
But that's not all.
The Arcana Theater.
You guys doing good?
Big day. Big day.
You guys all for supporting myself and Jason.
Stay here all day to make that fun. Run on the go. Did you win it?
Thank you for making a difference.